3 unrealistic expectations from children. Number 1, expecting them to always listen to us. Parents, there will be times they won't listen to us, so just learn to handle this. They have their own will, which will help them in facing the world later on. Also, sometimes let them be themselves without correcting them at some places. Number 2, expecting them to always be happy. Parents, do you get uncomfortable when your children get upset or feel angry? Yes, you do. And you want them to stop being angry or upset. But remember, they are human beings and will feel different emotions at different times, as we all do. Number 3, expecting them to understand your reasoning and calm down during a tantrum. Parents, please know, when children are throwing tantrums, their emotional part of the brain is activated. And the logical part stops working. It's almost like holding onto a hot pan. So, wait for the tantrum to pass and then try explaining the logic to your child. Parents, be more patient and keep realistic expectations from them.